stopping because I love that his first two songs on his channel are like this country ragtime style that I love. It's like one of the first fingerstyle techniques that I fell in love with. It's so awesome that that's what he's doing. This is country music to me, man.
Awesome, doing the rhythm, it's a little bit more snappy, the version of Alip, and at the same time, now I recognize the old melody line, of course, that we just heard, and he does it just perfectly, I have to say. If anything, probably it's a little bit more speed up, it's a little bit faster, the execution.
Awesome. Hold up. Dude, that's like ragtime. Hold on. I want to show y'all what that is, but I have to first understand what it is.
I'm always amazed how, you know, like Alip is really good at doing all those more jazzy transitions with the chords on the guitar with such simplicity, and he manages to keep the rhythm. Of course, it's a finger picking, finger style.
Oh, I get it. This is also country blues. It's basically blue. It's the same chord structure as a blues song, but make all the chords major or dominant 7 and use country picking techniques. Because in the beginning of blues and country were like the same thing. Ending on an A7.